Hey, welcome back to OzarkLander. Today, we're installing a Course Motorsports phone mount in the 3rd Gen Tacoma. Y'all stay tuned and watch the install. Hey, what's up, y'all? So this, like I said earlier, is like the easiest install there is. I mean, it only takes one tool. We got a 10mm socket, the ratchet. You take your hands around behind here, give it a pull, give it a pull. That's off. You take off this one top left, and I believe, if I remember right, you can do top right as well, whichever one you want. I like it a little closer to me, so I'm going to do the top left one. Take their bracket, put that bolt back in the radio. And it's got a little notch out there that keeps it from, and there's a little tab sticking out of the stock dash there, so it keeps it straight up and down for you. Close to it anyways. I'm going to cinch it down. This should slide, click back in. Okay, so now the ball just screws right on. And it is Allen head there that you can tighten it up tighter than that if you want to. You just take that like that, snap it on. There's that, and then you can pick. I don't know what the difference is going to be. I'm probably going to go with the bigger one. Make sure the back of your phone's good and clean so the sticks well. I'm sure it wouldn't hurt. Maybe like a little alcohol wipe or something on the back of it. Stick that. Take the paper off the back. Stick it on. Okay. That's it. Very, very easy install. So if y'all are looking for something to just hold the phone, to be very, very clean, I mean, with my phone up there, you can't even see the phone mount. So if you're looking for something really clean, you don't want to drill holes in the dash, you don't want to have a big thing up here with, you know, 6, 7 different arms coming off of whatever, this is the way to go. And the guys over at Course Motorsports, very good customer service. They got right back to me every time when I was talking to them. They sent me this to try out and to review, to show you guys how good of a product it is. So we're going to do that this weekend. We're going riding tomorrow, rough road, so we'll see how this thing handles. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.